three. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, this is Devin Martin. I work for James Martin Contractor Services. I'm up here on a high-rise in Cleveland. We've just done the demo and we're doing a remodel for the homeowner. If you come this way, we've got the walls coming down. There's going to be a nice knee wall with a island vanity. It's going to look real nice. All the flooring, all the carpet was up. A lot of the walls came down to help keep the space nice and open for this nice, honestly amazing view. Not a whole lot left to say. We're getting the electrical in, we're rerouting the plumbing, we're doing all the fix-its to make it look nice and new and a nice modern building. So we're going to be redoing some of the bedrooms. Not a lot, painting walls, getting the flooring in, hardwood floors. We've got some stuff to take out in the rooms yet. This bathroom we're keeping nice other than doing a quick repaint. Everything else stays. And in here we've got a wall going out. New bathroom, pretty much everything gets redone. Nice new shower, new vanity, new tile, paint, and lighting all gets redone. And this is the master bedroom. Nothing in the closet gets redone, but gorgeous view of the lake, as well as you can see the neighbors on the other high-rise. And yeah. Just about what we got.